stupid Facebook. Fuck you!
This should be your video right here. Why don't you look at the camera?
This wand is $100. I got the stones from a magic wizard in Narnia. And it can be yours. For a limited time only. And then I'm raising the price to $120. Buy it, bitch!
She also blogs.